Welcome to the Meal Prep Sunday San Diego app, your personal guide for reaching your fitness goals. This one-stop shop assists you in achieving not only fitness-related goals, but also those regarding overall wellness. It's designed to be comprehensive, easy to follow, and most importantly, effective. Upon signing up, we gather all necessary information to create your personalized plan. This includes calculating your daily nutritional needs and designing a training regimen tailored to you. Our fitness program consists of 2 consecutive 12-week plans, each increasing in intensity week after week. You'll also have designated measurement days to update your weight and body measurements. This helps you track your progress and hold yourself accountable. To get started, simply go to your email and select Activate Account. This will direct you to the account creation page. Here, you'll need to create a password and provide basic information such as your first and last name, date of birth, and your goal. You'll then be asked a series of standard questions, similar to those a personal trainer would ask regarding any allergies or injuries you might have. After answering these questions, you'll receive a link to download the MyPT Hub app from the App Store. Once the app is downloaded, log in using the same email address where you received the initial email and the password you created. Once your credentials are verified, you're all set to start using the app. The aim is to design simple habits that promote energy, awareness, and clarity in your everyday life. After downloading the app, let's start your program. You'll see a notification on the screen that says New Program Assigned. Press the button, and the next screen will display the program hasn't been started yet. Select Start Program, and your program will begin. You'll see your start date and completion date and your tasks for the first day of the first week. If you'd like a preview of what's to come, press View Full Program, and you can review the upcoming days. Congratulations! You're now on the path to achieving your goals with your new program. Programs aren't the same as workouts. They are 2 separate features of the app. Workouts are a series of exercises you can visit and revisit at any time. The program is a comprehensive fitness regimen that includes updating your progress photos, measurements, and weights once a week. On your first day with the app, you'll see a notification for a new program assignment and your schedule for the day. You can add your first progress photo and measurements either by selecting them individually from the schedule or through the new program, where you can see an overview of your progression. To add measurements and photos, select Measurement and Photos next to Overview. Each day's training includes a sequence of exercises, complete with videos that'll help you get familiar with the workout to guarantee correct execution of exercises for maximum effectiveness. You'll also see sets, reps, and general exercise information. After selecting your program and the exercise sequence, choose Start Workout and check off sets as you complete them. Nutrition is a vital component of our app. We update our meals on a weekly basis, specify how much protein, carbohydrates, fat, and calories you should consume. We set a goal for you and provide all your daily meals that align with your fitness objectives. We offer suggestions on various ways to achieve your target. This could include incorporating more fruit, healthy snacks, or our line of pressed juices to help you meet your target calorie intake and macros. To log your nutrition, on the main hub, select Log Nutrition, select Nutrition Plan, designate your main plan. Mine's is going to be Gain Muscle. Press Done, then Next, and here you'll have your updated meals. And these meals will change weekly based on what we're serving for that week and your meal plan. You're also able to add any additional nutrition you took in outside of the meals we provided for you. Once you've finished your meals, simply check mark your meals and select Save. Another feature of our app is habit tracking. We firmly believe that the right process leads to the right result. The habits we help you build aim to improve all aspects of your life to help you achieve your goals. Below today's schedule, you'll find today's habits. These are additional tasks that you can complete throughout the day, such as complete your workouts, eat your breakfast, lunch, dinner, take part in self-care activities. The list goes on and on. But the point of it is to create better habits that will not only help you physically, but mentally, which will lead you to be a stronger, more fulfilled individual. We'd love to see your progress, so please feel free to share updates with us at info@mealprepsundaysandiego. If you post a before and after on social media, make sure to tag us and mention how our service has helped you. By doing so, you'll earn a week's worth of meals for free. Thank you for exploring the Meal Prep Sunday app. We're confident it will elevate your journey and propel you to new heights. Let's achieve greatness and accelerate our growth to be the best versions of ourselves, together.